Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as y'all can tell by today's title, I'm about to start the first episode of Crafting on a Budget. In honors of it being the Crafting on a Budget, and y'all know my favorite store is Dollar Tree. We're gonna try to get everything we need for this video from Dollar Tree. Today's project, I don't even know if I said what the project was, girl. Today's project, we're gonna be making crochet stitch markers. Well, it could be for crochet projects, it could be for knit projects, it could be for anything that you want to use them for. But the task at hand is to get everything for under $10, which I feel like 10 is a decent budget, because I already know everything is not gonna be $10. So we're making some DIY stitch markers, the cute girly ones, because I know y'all probably like, girl, stitch marker could be anything, but like, just because you try to save a coin, it don't mean you can have cute stitch markers. So that's the task for today. Go ahead and go to the store, get what we need, and yeah. And we're gonna keep it under $10, hopefully, fingers crossed. This yarn is real good, y'all. You know, we gotta look at the yarn section, even though that's not what we're here for. This all I got so far. All right, so we're back, and it's been days later. I can't even lie, it's been days later, but I'm ready to do this haul. So I mainly got everything from Dollar Tree. It was probably only one thing, like literally one thing I wasn't able to get at Dollar Tree, but this is definitely a Dollar Tree coded video for my girls, and we stay under budget, because I really stayed even more under the budget because half the stuff I had at home already, but for the sake of the video, I wanted to get the stuff so y'all can see that you can find this stuff at the store. So let's get into this haul. Here's what you'll need is some of these. So get these. Make sure you get the one with the lobster tips. I found some pliers. And then you'll need some jump rings, but you probably won't need these because they come in this. But depending on how many you're making, you might need some of these. I found some charms. And I got these from Walmart for like $4. You don't have to get these, but you're gonna want some cute little beads. I did not buy beads because I already had beads at home, but Dollar Tree does sell beads. Get you some beads. Also got this cutting machine mat, because I do have a Cricut, but my mat is literally like ripped in half. So I'm excited. Let's get into it. This is the stitch markers that I made, and yes, they do work. They do work. I tried it out. And I got this cute little container from Dollar Tree stitch markers a while back. See how the stitch markers is gone? You're not gonna lose these stitch markers because they're gonna be cute and you're gonna want to show them off. So crafting on a budget and being cute with it. So let's go ahead and get into the little mini tutorial. This is literally all you'll need. If y'all didn't see from the beginning, make sure you get the bracelet and necklace finding, not the earring one, because it's gonna have an earring one. And then jump rings, but like I said, it has jump rings in here, so you 9 times out of 10 might not need these. I accidentally bought them, honestly. And you see how they have these charms like that, or charms like, you know, just like a charm. But these is at Dollar Tree. They be having some, depends. And y'all have to go to multiple Dollar Trees if you can. Like, some Dollar Trees have more than others do. Like, I literally bought these. I already had some of these at home. I didn't even know. But you can get them at Dollar Tree, girl. Go to Dollar Tree. So this is some of the ones that I've made so far. You can also go to Michael's, go to Hobby Lobby, Joann's, wherever to get these little charms. It's just a little demo to show y'all how it would go on your crochet pieces. Just loop it like that, and then that's your stitch marker. Or even if you had to, like that, and that's your stitch marker. So in the one material I literally could not find at Dollar Tree was these eye pins, but I'm gonna put a little picture on the screen on what the pack should look like. I got these from Walmart, I think, and you can get them anywhere, any craft store. This is what you really need, because this is like this is what you put the beads on. So this is what you'll need. get you some of these, because I don't know how you gonna make them if you don't have these. So okay, so you want to go ahead, pick out your beads, whatever beads you want to use. I did end up I got these from Dollar Tree like some years ago, so I am using all Dollar Tree beads for this first one. And you want to go ahead and pick your little sequence of how you want your little pattern for your beads. So I'm gonna do something like this. You can add however many you want to, or take away however many you want to. It's all up to you. I think this last bead is gonna be my last one. Like that. Take your pliers. And you basically just gonna fold this over. So like that, just fold it left or right, however, and you just want to loop it, and then just press it like this, like that. And it don't have to be perfect. It literally does not need to be perfect. Like it's just a stitch marker. It's not that serious. So once you have that, you're gonna take your jump rings, whatever size jump rings you use is up to you. Use whatever ones you can find. I'm gonna use this size one. Can it focus? It helps to have 2 pliers. They real dirty. Like I had these for a few years. You take both of them just to pull apart this so you don't hurt your fingers and whatnot. And then open it. Take your little charm. Put this on there. Take your piece you just made and loop it at the bottom. Take your other ones, your other pliers, and close it. And make sure you close it so your charm don't fall out. Ooh. And this is what it should look like. That's your little charm. Real cutesy. And then now you want to go ahead and take a decent size jump ring and take your lobster clip. Try to get the bigger ones because they do have little ones, but you don't want to get the little ones. Try to get the big ones because you want to be able to latch on your projects without any problems. So then you're going to go ahead and add it like that. And then you just close it like that. And you have a stitch marker. See? Real cutesy. And this literally was less than $5 kind of. Because if you have everything at home, girl, then use what you have. I'll make another one with y'all. I got my next colors. So I'm going to go ahead and this is my charm. That's my lobster clip. And I got my jump rings right here and my eye pin. So I'm going to try to make sure it's more focused this time in case you didn't see the first one. So come up with your pattern. It's easier to come up with your pattern before you start adding the beads, so you could just have an understanding. Oop, I'm doing a pattern wrong. I'm giving y'all tips and doing it wrong. So add your beads. Sorry if it's not focusing. Like, y'all just gonna have to bear with me. This is my first non-crochet tutorial. However long you want it really depend on you. If you don't want a long stitch marker, you don't have to do a long one. If you want a long one, add a lot of beads. If you don't add a lot of beads. Do it works best for you. And that's that. I think I'm gonna add 2 more. I kind of like the long stitch marker look, but that's just personal preference. I might even just add this as a... Okay, so I have all my beads added on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my pliers and just twist it to the left hold it, twist it as much as you can. It's kind of hard to show y'all how to do this. Like, you just have to do it, girl. There you go. Like that. Just loop it like that. And now you just gonna go ahead and add your jump ring. See, my charm already have like a little jump ring, tiny one, so I'm just gonna use that one. But just have fun with it. Just do random colors, have fun, get some cute charms, get some fun stuff, have fun with it. Don't make it a stressful project. Like, this is supposed to be affordable and fun. So use what you have. If you have old charms laying around from charm bracelets and stuff, use that. And then just add it. So upset that my camera's not focusing. This is probably a bad tutorial, but that's that, and that's your stitch marker. I'm gonna have to go make like a lot more, but see, like, these is shorter. These are way shorter, but you just gotta mess around with it. Do what works for you. So I'm about to make some more, and then I'll call y'all back in a second after I got mine made and cutesy. So I just finished, and this is what all my stitch markers came out like. Aren't they the cutest? Like, you can literally do this inexpensive DIY and give yourself however much your budget is. You can give yourself a decent budget and make some cute stitch markers. So if y'all make some, make sure y'all send me a picture, tag me, do something, girl, because I want to see the ones y'all come up with, because I already know y'all gonna come up with some cute ones. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.